Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to go, or how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to help give you enough information to get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do an awesome job on it. I have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something you want or need, I'll put a direct link for it in the comment section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on the state of Georgia. Georgia became the 4th state to join the Union on January 2nd, 1788. The original governor was a guy named William Stevens. We know today that the capital of Georgia is Atlanta, but that wasn't always the case. In fact, Georgia's original capital was a place called Savannah. The state flag bears 3 horizontal stripes that are red and white. In the upper left-hand corner, there's a blue square containing a ring of 13 white stars that encircle the state coat of arms. There are 2 state birds for Georgia, one being the brown thrasher and the other being the northern bobwhite. The state tree is the southern live oak tree. The state flower is the Rhoda lavagata. The state nickname is the Peach State, and the state motto is simply 3 words: wisdom, justice, and moderation. I love that. Now, hopefully this is enough information to get that ball rolling, take it, run with it, and do an awesome job on it. You got this! Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.